I'm NC. I welcome you to the session on envisioning. Let's look at the purpose for which we are looking at the envisioning process of a company. In India, we have been used to a protected economy in which the customer concerned culture has not been the most important aspect of any organization. One of the biggest challenges the business leaders are facing today is how do they bring in the transformation in the mindset of the people across the organization. The only way the business leaders can bring in alignment and engagement of the people across the organization is making everyone to understand the larger purpose of the organization as well as the vision and direction in which the organization is moving. Let's look at what is envisioning is all about and how does the organization develop its purpose and vision statement. That is going to be the subject of interest for us today. Let's try to understand what the purpose statement is all about. It answers the question, why do we exist in a larger context? It's easier to say that every organization exists in business in order to make profit. But in this context, we are looking at what is the social cause this organization is fulfilling. It is always gives more amount of clarity and more engagement of the people when they know that the purpose of the organization is much more than making profit. When the organization is figuring out its purpose, which is much more larger than merely making profit, it provides a direction for the organization for the 5 years, 10 years and 20 years time domain. It also inspires the people working for the organization, including the management team, because they are not merely pursuing profit, they are also trying to pursue a larger purpose for the mankind. One of the simplest way you can find the purpose is ask the question 5 times, why do we do what we do? Let's take an example of a company which is making roads, which has used this methodology of asking the question 5 times why and then developed their purpose statement. They ask the question, what do we do? We make roads. Then the team has asked the question, why do we make roads? The answer is, the roads are connecting the nation. Then the team asked the question, why do we need to connect the nation? The answer is, the roads are improving the economy of the country. So when you repetitively asking the question, why are we doing what we are doing, finally it emerges into the purpose statement. Let's look at the purpose statement of this company. To improve the nation's economy through well-connected roads that aids transportation. That means there is a need for the economy to grow in the country, and this company is not only laying roads, but it is also trying to improve the economy in a larger context of the mankind. Let us figure out how the purpose statement can be developed in any organization. It need not necessarily be declared by the business leaders or the top management or the CEO of the company, and then the posters are put across the entire places of the organization. So the best process that is recommended is, it can be bottom up as well as the top down process. By that what we mean is, the people are engaged across the organization to collect their thoughts, what do they think about the purpose of the organization. The top management also applies its mind and then they put their thoughts together. The process that can be adopted is a group discussion to collect the ideas from the people. So there could be about 20 or 30 people collected in a town hall meeting, and then they can be asked what is the purpose of the organization using the 5 why methodology. Once their ideas are collected, it may be emerging into a purpose statement which can be presented to the executive team and the top management, which can refine the purpose statement and declare for the entire company. By this process, the whole organization is engaged, so it becomes a shared purpose of the organization rather than declared by the top management. So that's what we have seen in this session today on purpose statement. I wish that the session was useful and insightful for you. Thank you very much.